Good morning, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker at RJO Futures with morning comments on the stock index futures. Let's give a little background on what happened yesterday, which was slightly surprising. We did get a bailout for Spain to the tune of about $125 billion. Seems like a huge number. And we gapped higher. That announcement was over the weekend. Monday morning we come in and all the stock indexes around the world were very strong and to the upside. But as the day developed, there was disappointment. And what is the phrase that they always say? The devil is in the details. Well, obviously it was a little less than they thought, and who takes first right on a default and things like that. And without due delay, by the end of the day, the S&P September contract was about 20 lower after being almost 20 higher. We had almost a 40-point range for the day. First, it was complete optimistic, and then disappointment, and oh, this is not going to work. What do we have this coming weekend? We have the elections in Greece, which is probably a bigger deal than the bailout for Spain. We had another downgrade for Spain. That's what's in the news, so obviously Europe is the front runner. Very little reports today on the American front. In my opinion, looking at some of the stats from China, which is another big key, I believe that their economy is doing better than first estimate, and I wish that America's stats were that improved. Let's take a look at some of the technicals surrounding the S&P September contract. We are in a sideways to up channel from the previous week big rally, the biggest rally we've had this year. And then going back a little bit just for color, we went down probably the worst May in 3 years in the S&P. So, have said all that, okay, let's look at the technicals right now, right here. I would have to say we're in a channel, we're in a consolidation phase. The short-term trend is slightly up, but that could change at any given moment. The major trend is down because of the May situation. I would have to say that we need to close over 1326 in the September contract to give the bulls something to really cheer about. The bears will probably want to sell somewhere between 1320 and 1325 with a tight stop, obviously. On the way down, we're around 1303 right now, and we're only about 2 or 3 points higher on the day, and it could flip either way depending on the momentum. On the way down, we need to keep support at 1288 in the September contract. A close underneath that would give the bears complete control of the market and go from sideways to up to sideways to down. And of course, 1255 is my target in the bear camp. Remember, call me, Jeff Friedman, so that we can discuss any market and I can give you in-depth analysis of any market you'd like, or trading strategies that you prefer, short-term or long-term. You're going to want to call me at 800-826-4124. And remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Good luck and good trading. Give me a call.